reason that I got involved with is not only my own passion for history, love of history, and I think the importance of history. We don't get more of our school kids here, and it's a lot more difficult than it once was. It was a key part of our learning, our training. We have more different variety and different types and opportunities for people to really connect not only with history but the natural world. Economic development, jobs, simply is a key part of how we all go through our lives. It's not enough. We want more, but jobs and opportunities to work in fields that we love are a key part of why I got involved and why I started the Tourism Task Force, because I recognize that it is one of the most essential parts of the South County area is our history.
So this is about cultivating local support and energy, but also thinking about how we can attract even more people to come into Fairfax County and experience our treasures. And that really, there's no more important time to do that than now.
Where do we go from here? We will, and I have no doubt of this, double the visitation to this spectacular area within the next 5 years. That is a goal we have set. That is a goal we will meet.
Little by little, we're making a difference. Little by little, we're bringing folks together. Little by little, we are creating a true South County, a true Potomac Banks Visit Fairfax South opportunity.